Merhaba, salam alaikum, and welcome to today's video. As you probably already saw in the thumbnail, today's video is going to be about this really delicious and yummy bulgur with some amlou on the side, also called Berkouks, a traditional Moroccan dish eaten during the holidays. This is a quick and really easy dish, which only require 2 ingredients. Enjoy this yummy bulgur with amlou as lunch or dinner. For now, let's get on with the video. Let's go. Firstly, start off with rinsing the bulgur a couple of times until the water runs clear and then soaking it in some water for about an hour. After it has soaked up all the water, it's time to drizzle in some olive oil and to sprinkle in some salt and mix everything together. Afterwards, put the bulgur into a pot with holes on the bottom and stack it onto a bigger pot with boiling water. Don't forget to cover it. When the steam has risen above the bulgur, pour it out into a big bowl and again mix in some salt, olive oil, and a little bit of water. Mix that thoroughly and put it back into the pot to steam cook. Repeat that process twice more. Now it's time to prepare some peanut amlou. Start off by roasting the peanuts in the oven until they have darkened. Afterwards, put those in a mixer and add some sugar or honey, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything together until it has a liquidy consistency. Also add some pure olive oil. Then pour the amlou into a small bowl, and enjoy it alongside the bulgur. Serve them together as a berkouks and enjoy them while they're still warm. And this is how everything should look like when it's all done. Hope you enjoy this tasty recipe. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed today's video and recipe, and even try to recreate it sometime. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and comment down below how you liked this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell while you're at it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.